Afternoon, everyone. Jeff from Rust Rocky Valley Garage. I just had a little short thing that I wanted to take and show you. Since we've been having so much rain here in Southern California, of course, your thoughts turn to windshield wipers. And I've had a problem with the windshield wipers on the S10 for a little while. And the problem was that there was an area about this big right here that the windshield wiper would leave bare. Okay, it wouldn't take and clean the windshield. And I went through a couple of different things. I thought there was some kind of defect in the glass or something. In other words, I had a bunch of different theories. The windshield wiper would go back and forth, and the one on the right side was fine. So obviously, it would be a little bit more visible if there was something wrong with the glass. So then I started looking at the windshield wiper, and I took a real good look at that. And the windshield wiper, the blade was not disconnected from the arm or anything. I do take the car to the car wash, so that didn't really occur to me that anything would happen there. But yesterday it was really coming down, so I put a new wiper blade on here, top of the line, like the best I could get, and the problem still existed. So I did a little test. Since this area right here was approximately the area that was not being cleaned, let me show you what I did. So I managed to take and, using the ignition switch off on and the wiper control, I managed to take and get the wiper stuck just in the right position. Okay, and what I did is I looked at this contact angle here, right where the blade hits the windshield, and believe it or not, there was a gap about like that was happening. So I know it wasn't in the washer arm or everything, and I figured out that it is actually in this area right here, that the going through the car wash and hitting it with the brushes and all this kind of stuff had actually bent the arm on the windshield wiper. Okay, so what I did is I lifted this up like this, okay, and these stay in this position, and I took this and I pressed it, and put a little bit more arc in this area right here, and then went ahead and put it back on there, and I tried it again, and sure enough, it closed the gap in here, and it caused it to take and operate properly. So it went ahead and fixed that. So really didn't have to take and buy a new windshield wiper, but a little bit of real simple troubleshooting will do that. And then if you take your car to the car wash, make sure you take and check that out. Have them take and put, like a piece of tape across here or something. I noticed that on vehicles that have rear wipers, so here's the JK wiper right here, and they generally take and they put a piece of tape across here, keep this from flapping around, because it will actually take and damage this and pull it off. So yeah, this is real easy fix. Theoretically, it didn't cost anything. So since the other wiper was good, I went ahead and kept it. But now everything's happy again. So I hope I gave you a good tech tip, and we'll see you next time. Stay warm, stay dry, stay safe. See you next time.